Hello everyone, 2nd February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have: in headwinds, budget stays the course, batters markets with tax, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have bets on new economy manufacturing but no push for foreign capital. Then we have transaction tax hike to curb speculation in FNO, but its volumes were already down. Then we have higher tax share for South states, Hindi heartland states see dip. Then we have corridor to future high speed rail freight one for the rare earths, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have in first budget after Operation Sindoor, 15% hike for defense, again very important for defense as well as economic perspective. Then we have Delhi gets rupees 1348 crore, same as the last time, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have 4.78% more funds for Delhi police, eye on modernization, again very important for security perspective. Moving forward, we have no NPR notification yet, but budget allowance allocates funds, again very important. Then we have air pollution and national health emergency, says Rahul, seeks discussion, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have centre's capex thrust intact for financial year 27, target at rupees 12.22 lakh crore, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have another bumper RBI dividend expected in financial year 27, disinvestment seen at rupees 80,000 crore, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have again Union Budget 2026-2027, 7 city economic regions in 5 years, Surat, Varanasi, Vizag to benefit, again very important. Going forward, we have railways, highways continue to be primary drivers, take 47% of capex, again very important. Then we have building on Shanti Act, government powered nuclear sector with zero custom duties. Then we have tax holiday for foreign firms, setting up data hubs. Then we have the third page of Union Budget 2026-2027. Then budget charge outlay doubled to rupees 40,000 crore for electronic components, again very important. Then we have rupees 10,000 crore SME growth fund, reform to boost liquidity for MSMEs. Then we have heading Shakti, rupees 10,000 crore to promote India as hub for complex biological drugs. Then we have road clear to review 200 legacy industrial clusters. Going forward, we have manufacturing gets big boost as government slashes customs duty. Then we have committee to align banks to next phase of India's growth. Then we have capital gains tax exemption on SGBs only when held from issuance to maturity. Then we have new baggage rules. Government raises limit for duty-free imported goods to rupees 75,000. To watch the second part of this video, please go check out the link given below.